In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display an estimated delivery date on your Shopify product page, a feature that can significantly enhance your customers' shopping experience. Ensuring your customers are informed about when they can expect their orders not only builds trust but also helps reduce cart abandonment rates. First, let's begin by heading to your Shopify admin panel. Once there, navigate to the Online Store section and then click on Themes. You'll see your current theme displayed, and what you want to do is select Actions followed by Edit Code. This will take you to the part of Shopify where you can tweak the backend of your store. Now, within the Theme Code Editor, locate and click on the Sections folder on the left-hand side. Within this folder, open the file called producttemplate.liquid. This file typically controls how your product pages are laid out and displayed on your site. Once the file is open, carefully scroll down to find the section of code related to the product description or any product-specific details. This step might require a bit of patience if you're new to navigating through code, but take your time and read through it thoroughly. We're going to add a small piece of code here that calculates the estimated delivery date based on your lead time and shipping options. Consider your shipping timelines and the lead times you typically require to fulfill orders. The snippet you're about to add should include a JavaScript function or liquid code that dynamically calculates an estimated delivery date. If you're unfamiliar with writing such code, that's alright. There are Shopify apps and plenty of resources online with code samples you can use and adapt specifically for your shop's needs. With your code added, double-check it for any errors, as even small mistakes can affect how your page loads. Once you're confident everything is in place, remember to save your changes. Now, it's essential to test how the delivery dates appear on your product pages. Head back to your live site and navigate to a product page. This step is crucial as you want to ensure everything looks as planned and that the date displays correctly and accurately reflects your order fulfillment and shipping times. If something seems off, return to your code editor and review the logic in your snippet or check for typos. While you're at it, it might be worthwhile to tweak the appearance of the delivery date on your page. A little formatting can go a long way in keeping your website both functional and visually appealing. By including an estimated delivery date on your Shopify product pages, you enhance transparency with your customers, leading to a better shopping experience and potentially boosting your sales. As always, be sure to maintain any changes through your theme updates. If you have any further questions or need assistance with specific code, remember that Shopify's community and support are great resources. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!